Welcome back, friends. Welcome to Tech Unbox Pro, the place where we explore the latest smartphones with honest and detailed reviews. Today's video is very special because a legendary brand is making a powerful comeback. Yes, we are talking about the Nokia King 5G, a smartphone that is creating serious hype in 2026. The Nokia King 5G brings back Nokia's iconic identity with a modern flagship touch. Starting with the design, this phone looks premium and solid, exactly what Nokia is known for. The build quality feels strong and durable, making it a perfect choice for users who want reliability along with style. The back design is clean, the camera module looks bold, and overall the phone gives a true King vibe. Moving to the display, the Nokia King 5G features a large, vibrant display with a smooth high refresh rate. Colors look punchy, brightness is well balanced, and outdoor visibility is impressive. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, the display experience feels smooth and immersive. This makes it one of the most comfortable Nokia phones for daily use. Now let's talk about performance. The Nokia King 5G is powered by a capable 5G processor designed to handle multitasking, gaming, and daily heavy usage without lag. Apps open quickly, switching between applications is smooth, and overall performance remains stable. For gaming lovers, this phone can handle popular games with decent frame rates and controlled heating, making it suitable for long gaming sessions. Camera performance is one of the biggest highlights of the Nokia King 5G. The phone comes with a high-resolution main camera that captures detailed and sharp photos. Daylight shots look clean with natural colors, while portrait mode offers good edge detection. Low-light performance is also improved, thanks to optimized software processing. On the front, the selfie camera delivers clear and social media-ready images, perfect for reels and video calls. Battery life is another strong point. The Nokia King 5G packs a massive battery that easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage. Whether you are gaming, browsing, or streaming, battery anxiety is not an issue here. Fast charging support ensures that you can quickly power up and get back to work without long waiting times. In terms of software, Nokia offers a clean and smooth user experience. No unnecessary bloatware, no heavy ads, just a simple and reliable interface. Regular updates and security patches make the phone future-proof and trustworthy for long-term use. So, is the Nokia King 5G worth buying in 2026? If you are looking for a reliable 5G smartphone with strong build quality, good cameras, long battery life, and clean software, then this phone definitely deserves your attention. Nokia has truly stepped up with this device and reminded everyone why it is called a legend. If you enjoyed this detailed Nokia King 5G full review, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more powerful smartphone reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.